In this section, I will show you how to configure upsells and cross-sells for your product. It's something that we saw a few times before in this course, and now it's time to talk about it, and let me show you how that works. So here I'm on my store, and first let's go to the product settings. So I go to the dashboard, then we go to all products, and then we can open any product. So let's take this one, for example. Then in the product data, go to linked products. And here we have the options for upsells and cross-sell. So first of all, let me explain to you what is an upsell and what is a cross-sell. An upsell is a product that we will recommend instead of the product that the person is currently viewing on your store. So typically we are going to display the upsell on the product page. For example, for this product here, the Grace, this beautiful woman watch, and setting up upsell here will allow us to display other products that we choose. For example, for suggesting higher quality product or more expensive product or product with more features, because we can assume that if people are interested into this product, the Grace, then they might be interested into a better version, a more expensive one, a more luxurious one, or whatever. So this is the idea behind upsell. The product that you want to put here, it's product that you want to recommend to a visitor when they are looking at a product. And so most of the time we are going to recommend something more expensive, something where we have better margin. This is the idea behind upsells. And cross-sell is very different because it is based on what your visitor on your store add to his cart. So which means if the person add this product to his cart, the Grace, then we will be able to display this cross-sells product, but only after the person added this product to the cart. So this way we can suggest complementary product or product that relates to this one or goes well with this one. Like for example, if you sell t-shirts, then maybe in the cross-sell you want to add the short that goes with it, or you want to sell the whole look into the cross-sell, and you want to suggest that after the person first added the product to their cart. So then it makes sense because the next step after adding their t-shirt to their cart would be to go to the short. So this is the idea behind cross-sells. So what you put into upsells and cross-sells really depends on your business. It's not something that you absolutely need to do to sell online, but these two options here can over time greatly improve the revenue that you get on your store. So once you have an idea of what you want to suggest as an upsell or as a cross-sell, then you come back here and you can define here the product that you want to suggest. So let me show you how it works. So for example, let's create an upsell for the Grace. I will just go back to my product to have the list, open in a new tab. Okay, great. So let's say, for example, if people are looking to the Grace, I would like to suggest to them the more expensive product, and let's take the Muse and the Enchantress. Okay, so I will go to the Grace, product data, linked product, upsell, and I will type here the name of the products. So the Muse and the Enchantress. Okay, and then we update. Okay, great. Now we want to display this upsell on the product page. So for doing that, we go back to the theme builder. So my store, pages, and then theme builder. Here we want to go to the template about the product page and modify the custom body. And then to display the upsells, you can add the module row product upsell, this one. Okay, so let's just add this one. Then let's just change the text to white again. Okay, perfect. Let's save. Okay, great. Now let's see our products. I will open the product into a new tab as well. Okay. And now when we are on the Grace, on my product, if we scroll down, then we have the related products, which are the products coming from this row related product module here that we added before when we have built this page. So in the section where we built this page in this course. And now below that, we have the you may also like list of products, which are the upsells, the Enchantress and the Muse. This is pretty cool because we can display the product that we want here. And also, as we use this module here, the root product upsell, you can put this module anywhere you want on your page. Like for example, we can take it and put it higher on our page. For example, above the related product. I will do it like this on the store. I will save. And then we refresh our page. Okay, great. So now we have our product we have our upsells here, and below that we have our related products. So this is cool. And now that we have this module here for the upsell, it will be added to all of our product pages. So in case one of your products doesn't have an upsell, like for example the enchantress, this product doesn't have any upsell, let's go to this product, then it just displays nothing. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this module being added on your pages. If the product has upsell, then it will display the upsells. If there is no upsell, then it will just display nothing. So for the upsell, that's it. And then for the cross-sell now, so we go back to our product data, linked product, and cross-sell. And here, once again, this is based on what the person added to their cart. So let's say if my visitors add the grace to their carts, then I want to suggest to them our cleaning service because they might be interested into cleaning their watch over time. And also I would like to suggest to them our book about the history of luxury watches. So let's do that. Let's go back to our products, cross-sell, and then we just add here, cleaning service and book. Now we have our two cross-sells, so let's save. Great. Then to display the cross-sell on your store, it's another module inside the Visual Builder, which is called Woo Cross-sells. It's this module here. So let's add this module to my page. Let's put this module higher above everything. Okay, now let's save and let's see how it looks on our store. Okay, let's go to our product, the grace, open in a new tab. Now on this product, we have the upsells, we have the related product, and we don't have the cross-sells, which is normal because cross-sell are only displayed when the product is added to the cart. So let's first add this product to the cart. Great, now we have the grace into our cart, and when we scroll down, now we have the cross-sell products that are suggested to us. So obviously we need to change the colors of the text, but this way, using the cross-sells, you can suggest the product that you want after someone adds some product to their cart. You can display these cross-sells anywhere you want on your store. So obviously you can do that on your product page. It's a great way to tell people about some other product that they might like on your store. But also you can add this module on the cart page, just below the cart total here, because that's a great moment to suggest some product based on what the person has into its cart. For adding the module here on your cart page, you do the exact same thing as we just did for the product page. You just add this module Woo Cross-sell to your cart page, and that's it. And actually, you can just add this module anywhere you want on your store. The most common locations being product page and cart page. That's it for this part about cross-sells and upsells. This way, you can suggest product to your visitors based on what they see or based on what they want to purchase and increase the sales on your store. This is a pretty cool and powerful tool. So now let's keep going.